Just acquired this lovely Merc E-Class diesel automatic AMG Sport. The wheels are absolutely immaculate on it. It's the 250 CDI. It's got the rear park distance control, twin exhausts, beautiful metallic grey colour. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the half leather Alcantara. It's even got the AMG carpet mats there as well. The white stitch piping on the seats. It's got electric mirrors, electric windows. It's got full multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox. It's only done 63,771. I'll just get that up again for you. 63,771 miles. We've got satellite navigation. Just get that up for you in a minute. Oh. We've got 3-stage heated seats, aircon climate control. For your navigation, telephone, Bluetooth. It's got a USB. Really is in fantastic condition for its age and mileage. Front park distance controlled as well. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.